the biggest roadblocks I see to discovering what we want in life is a fear of failure that prevents us from taking action and being willing to explore. Many people also struggle to find what they want in life because they fall victim to perfectionism. It's easy to think, I can't take action until I have the perfect plan. And then this often pairs with self-doubt or fear of failure, where we think, I would take action, but I don't want to fail. And it's just probably not going to happen for me. So sometimes we'll move to take action in our life and we get slammed with imposter syndrome. We'll think, everyone's going to figure out that I'm actually a fraud. In all these circumstances, we really get in our own way and we don't take any action at all. And thus we miss out on endless opportunities to get more clear on what we actually want. So for this reason, one of my favorite practices to help discover what you want is the idea of taking quote unquote imperfect action. I love the phrase imperfect action is always better than perfect inaction. If we commit to taking frequent imperfect action, then we'll train ourselves to move closer to our desires, which is like building muscle by going to the gym. If we train ourselves to just take some action, anything at all, then we start to create energy and momentum and discover little bits of progress. So in turn, this gives us more confidence. When we take more action, even if we fail, then we learn and we grow. Training yourself to have a bias towards action, whether it's trying something new, going to an event, developing a relationship, is really important. Another practice to help discover what you want is to build a commitment to getting outside of your comfort zone. It's important to dare ourselves to do things that are uncomfortable, because if we're staying in our comfort zone, we tend to not accomplish very much. If you want to manifest your desires and go and create what you want, you have to get out of your comfort zone. There, you learn more about yourself and about what works and what doesn't work. Most of the time, what works is tiny baby steps into discomfort, what we often call little 1% shifts. Then those build over time as we get better and better at taking action.